Hey guys, welcome to our 594 Twin House project, where we've designed and we're currently building a fully detached dual occupancy. Our clients were a young family who were trying to maximise the value of their block. We've designed two distinct style of homes that would still work really well together for max street appeal. So our clients are going to keep and live in one of these and sell or rent the other side. They've really enjoyed the process of designing their dream home and someone's future dream home right next door. On the north side, we're going with a box modern style home, and we're using the James Hardie Axon cladding in the 133mm smooth. We're going to paint the cladding in a dark grey to give it a really bold look. And on the south side, we're building a really modern coastal home. We've chosen our favourite, which is the Linea in the 180mm, and we're going to paint that in a crisp white. Because both of these James Hardie products come pre-primed and ready to paint, and they're quick and easy to install, we're going to try and get this project handed over in record time. These two totally different James Hardie products are going to work so well together to give it two totally different looks, but still complement each other. This is going to be one epic project, and I cannot wait to bring you back once it's all finished.